Larkin, don't give up on it yet, buddy. Johnny used to work on the docks. Union went on strike. He's down on his lucky shot. So tough. Cheetah works the diner all day. You guys ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
So she's gotta hold on to what she's got. Doesn't make a difference if you make it or not. You got each other, and that's alright for love. So give it a shot.
You gotta do this.
Oh,